guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Adrianne. Did y'all miss me? Because I missed y'all. Today I'm doing a video on a hair mask. This is actually a detox mask. I've seen this float around YouTube for a long time, but I've never tried it on my hair. I've always done this mask on my face and it does amazing on my face. And today I'm talking about the F.A.Q healing clay. It's a green detoxing purifying clay, and so I'm going to do a clay mask on my hair. I've never done it because of my hair color. I was always scared it's going to strip my hair color. So being that my hair color is already kind of faded from the red, I'm going to re-dye my hair today, or touch up my color today. I'm going to go ahead and do the mask in my hair today. So as you can see, my hair's not really red. It's more like a brown auburn dingy nasty color. So I don't really care if it's just my hair color, because I'm going to deposit more color back into my hair today. And if you guys hear baby, that's Mila, because she's in the room with us. Baby Mila is here. So yeah, I'm not going to ramble much longer. If you want to see how my hair does and if my curls pop and if it strips my color and all that good stuff, please keep watching.
Yes, sir.
So to make this mask, you're going to of course need the mask here, the F.A.Q mask. And this is what it looks like. It's a powder consistency here. It's the directions say to put it in the plastic, but I'm just using a paper bowl, paper spoon, paper fork. So I'm just going to pour the rest of what I have into this bowl here, and I'm gonna mix it up with some apple cider vinegar. This is from probably the Dollar Tree, the dollar store. Oh, Save a Lot food. So this is like the cheap version of the apple cider vinegar. So I'll pour some of this in there. It says equal parts, so I'm going to go ahead and make this mixture, and I'll be right back. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and apply some gloves because I got my nails done in the ombre and I don't want to get them dirty, so I'm wearing gloves to apply this mask. So I'm gonna just, working my hair in sections like I always do. So instead of me going into my hair with just this mask on, just kind of dry hair. I wet my hair this morning to put in a puff, but it's kind of dry, so I want to just go ahead and re-moisturize my hair. This is just some water and aloe vera juice. Just to kind of wake my hair up, because it's been sleeping and dry. So this is what it kind of looks like after kind of sit a little bit. I got it to be a consistency of like a deep conditioner. So I'm going to just apply it to my hair. I'm kind of nervous. I don't know why, but I'm a little nervous. Alright, so the mask is on my hair, and I guess my hair, it feels okay. It doesn't feel it doesn't feel brittle or anything like that. So what I'm going to do is let this sit in my hair for about, I don't know, 30 minutes until it actually dries and kind of hardens. I know when I put the mask on my face, it literally pulsates like as it's drying, like sucking out my pores. So I'm gonna let that do that to my hair and suck out all the impurities and dirt, oils, all that good stuff. A lot of videos that I've seen on this mask, people don't wash their hair after. They just go into a deep conditioner after this, like this is their shampoo. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna try it that way. I may co-wash though, just because I just want to. I'm gonna co-wash and then detangle with my co-wash, then deep conditioner. That's what I'm gonna do. So I'm gonna come back and show you guys what my hair looks like after it's dry, and then what my curls look like after it is washed out, and then I'll be back. Alright guys, so my hair is pretty much, it's pretty much dries. Dry as it's gonna get. My hair is kind of sticky, stiff, but this is what my hair and my curls look like now that it's dried. I'm gonna go ahead and rinse it out and see how that does in my hair, and then I'll show you guys the final results of the curls and what it looks like when it's done, and then we'll be done with this video, y'all. Yeah. Alright, y'all, so I just rinsed out the mask on my hair, and I mean, don't need to say anything. My hair, my curls are there. They're beautiful like this. You know, when I rinsed my hair out, my hair didn't feel stripped like stripping shampoo we usually do to my hair. My hair still felt very soft, and it kind of felt moisturized. Like, even though it was stripped of all of its oils and moisture and all that, it still felt moisturized. So this is what my hair looks like after the detox. I actually really like my curls a lot. Like, they're already clumped together, and my color is kind of faded a little bit, but at this point I really don't care because I'm about to recolor it now. I'm about to go and film that video now. So yeah, this pretty much completes this video. If you guys enjoyed it or if you learned anything, please be sure to give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.